is the way that you left me.
Hi and welcome. In today's video, I will be cleaning 2 of our bathrooms. If you need motivation to clean your bathrooms or any other area of your home, stick around and watch this video so that you can get the motivation to use for later, or grab your supplies and clean along with me, and let's get this done.
Let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me.
When I'm cleaning bathrooms, I like to start with this disinfectant. I add it to the toilet bowl and let it sit for a while I do other things.
In my bed, 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Why do I feel the way that you left I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. I fell for you. Nothing has been quite the same since I fell for you. I can't recognize myself. I watch your stories, I like it. We could be close before the night ends.
If you are enjoying this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really helps up my channel in the background.
I can help myself. I've been there dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky. Always dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky, holding on. Maybe I should let you go. Something about you feel like home, stuck in my head like a favorite song. Can't fight it, I just sing along, don't care what they say. Our love is different, I like it. Watching from a distance, I'm trying to keep my cool. My heart is racing, looking at myself. I've been there dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky. Always dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky. Always dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I was looking like a fool when I met you.
Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 9-year-old who is halfway to adulthood. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a new viewer, welcome. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know.
That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
No one uses this shower, so you won't see me clean it in today's video. In fact, it's a shower that goes unused most of the time. Our cleaning company does clean it once a month, and they were here last week doing that, so I'm not going to clean the shower.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance. Oh, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I cleaned 2 of our bathrooms. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see this kind of content in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.